In this section we start to create a mold, but first we want to make some adjustment in part. But we start first, this extrude we don't need it. We can suppress or we can delete face, but we go with the surface. If we want to delete, we can click only in face. We can go same, delete, or surface, two-way. And also we saw in floating, because we have some problem with the vector in this area and also here, we want to have it some fillet, and I want to create a fillet in this edge here. I want to have it in same in 3, also up. We leave 10. It looks good. Now we start sketch, and we want to have it to another body, and we can create with a command indented. We can test. I think it's faster, and I want to show you how to create. It's better to leave a little material here, because when we warm it, and it's not good when it's so close here, because material can go out. When it's hot, yeah, when it's hot temperature in a mold. We can have it 25. No, it's not enough. It's okay, and with this we can move. I want to show better. And we can go extrude. We go 80, because if we have it merge, we have one body, but we need to have it another body. And also I need one body same. We can go sketch, convert, and go extrude, and we can have it save. Now we want to use a command indented. We go insert future, this body, and but we want to cut. We don't want tolerance. We can see, and we have it. I want to, how many? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 body. Now we go in same method with indent, but we want to have it in this, but we can hidden, and we can show another. We go same, insert future, and we go same, and we go with a cut. But one thing, it's because we have here it can be another core, but we need that core, because yeah, we can see one, and we need this core because we can have it, we can combine with another mold, but I don't want to have it combined because we can use a core. And now we can have it this with a color. I want to have that color sport. But I want to have it this core. We want to create a sketch because this core should be connect with a this core should be connect I want to show in design, not this mold, it's in this we need to connect, but first I want to create and have it same with ident. We can go sketch. When we create sketch, we can go offset. We go reverse because inside. We go extrude. $30, yeah, it's enough. And we have it. Not that mold, but we have it now another, and we can go same command with the future ident. We can go cut. We can leave 0.1 millimeter, but it's all 0.01. It was 0.01. It's correct, and we have to move 0.01. But we need to control in which we are right direction. If we want better quality, we go option and we go image quality. We have it. We go same again, but we go yes, and we leave that, and also we go another sketch. And we go not like that, but we go in another. I want to change that, change inside, but we have it. We can say 3, and I want to explain why. And we can go extrude, cut. If we cut, we can say flip direction, and we can say 5, and select body, which we want. This body we want to cut, and we cut it. Why we are cutting? Because when we have it core inside in another mode, when we have it core inside, sometimes if it's not same radius here, or if you can go also, this radius should be smaller with this, because it go inside when you machine it. Sometimes it's not correct all machine it, and it's not connect here. And if you have it like that, it's no problem for connect, because it's you can see it. It's not touch core if it's not good machine it. But now it's it looks good. This core it's okay. And also I want to know this core, because when we have a injector pin, I want to see if it's correct. Yes, it's core, because here should be injector pin, and also here, and 4 injector pin here. but also we need to have it bolt for connect. We can go and create a sketch. We can create a hold for bolt, but we can go manual, or we can have it for hold wizard, in which way you want it. We can have it 52. And here we have 25. We go same. We can click and should be same, vertical, and also we can have it horizontal both, because I want to have it same for M12, and we can have it equal all. And we can say here M12, but this it was not connect for. We can have it equal. It's only from here. It's 25. No, it was 52, because it's not in the right position, because we have injector pin here, and we can drill or make extrude cut, because machine drill. We can say up to next. When we say up to next, it goes direct to the core. But we can have it also see sketch, and I want to show sketch here. If we click in this core, we can create another way. We want in this point. Because I'm changing method, because in which way you want it. And here we have it for bolt, and this fits for bolt. We need to have it M12. It's enough if we have it 40. But when we open for M12, hold should be smaller, because we need to have it thread, and it's 10.5, and also we can see should be 10.5, same, like I said. Yeah, we have it 10.5, because when we open for thread. Now I want to create a head for a bolt, and we can go on sketch and make a size. We go equal, and we have 18, but we go 20 because I want to have it a little space. And also we have for trail we have 12, but we go 15, it's okay. Now we have it, yeah, correct all.